Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. All right, welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about the best way to make money online as a broke beginner, starting now. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Also, drop a comment if you have anything you want to say or any questions you want to ask about what I'm talking about today. Also drop that hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win some free money. All right, let me go ahead and get into this. This is my page. So like I said before, if you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. Now, what we're going to talk about is the best way you can make money online as a broke beginner. So what I'm going to do is show you what niche you can use to start making this money as a broke beginner. So we're going to use YouTube to start making money. So let me go to the channel we're going to copy to start making this money. Okay, this is the channel right here, Soothing Relaxation. So what they do is make relaxation videos with background music. So, you know, for people that want to relax or to go to sleep, they'll listen to this music. And so when people come to this when people come to this channel right here, they can click on one of these videos and listen to some music in the background. And they also show videos, show like pictures or slides or actual animation video while the music is playing in the background. And this channel is making a lot of money. But let me just show you one of the videos right now, just to give you an idea of what they do. Let me get past this ad right quick. All right, as you can hear the music. And they just showing like an animation video. If people just turn this on and just let it play, it can go for hours and hours because let's see what they set this to. So they got 10 hours of this music playing in the background and showing this animation. And they're making a lot of money. Let me go ahead and stop it. So yes, they're making a lot of money doing this. And let me show you how much they're making. What I'm going to do is go to Social Blade. All right, I'm on Social Blade. And let me show you how much they're making. Estimated monthly earnings, $14,500, all the way up to $231,000. That's monthly. And this is how much they're making a year, all the way up to $2 million a year. Just making these videos. When people check them out, they just keep playing them and keep playing them. So the watch time is very high on these type of videos. So that's why Whoever make these videos, they're making a lot of money doing this. Now you can do the same thing. So what I'm going to do is show you step by step what you can do. So bear with me. I know this video is already pretty long so far. I'm going to have to go through these steps pretty fast. So I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. So let me go to the first step, what you need to do. Okay, the first step, you go to this website. It's called Unsplash. So this website has pictures that are copyright free. So let's just go to nature. And as you can see, here's some pictures you can use of nature. So if you want to make a video with just, let's see, mountains or something like that, you can just get some pictures of mountains, put it like in a little slide, and play the music in the background. Okay, now you're probably wondering where you're going to get the music from that's copyright free. So you can go to YouTube library, audio library. So I went ahead and typed it in. And as you can see here, here's a lot of music in the back that you can put in the background of a video that you get from Unsplash or get from Pixels. And you can play any of these. They're all copyright free. All right, now what I'm going to do is go to the next website you can use to put your video together with the music in the background. But let me show you this right quick. To download this, you just click this little arrow and you'll be able to download the music from the library. Now let me go ahead and go to the next website that you can use to put your video together. You can also use iMovie if you have that on your PC, if you have a Mac. So let me go ahead and go there. Okay, I'm at the next website, and I think the name of this website is Kaleido. That's CLIDEO.com. And here you can put your video together. So right here you can click where it says Video Maker. You'll be able to choose the files. So you can choose whatever file you want. And what I'm going to do is go here to where it says Slideshow Maker. I want to show you that. So if you're putting slides together, go here. See, they have an actual player that'll pop up. I'm not going to go ahead I'm not going to pop it up and do it. I'm just showing you. So right here, you can add as many files or images, videos, or whatever, and change the order. So you can add them right here, put them all together. And then after that, you could just download this video. And you can also add subtitles. So you can add subtitles if you wanted to. You know, like this music that's playing is very soothing or whatever. So basically, this site right here will allow you to go ahead and put the video together. You won't have to download anything. You do it right from the site. All right, let me just go back to YouTube. Okay. Now, the other thing you can do once you have your video together, now to make the type of money that this website, that this video is making, that this channel is making, you have to get at least 1,000 subscribers. See, they have 4 million, so they're making their money, their ad money from YouTube. Now, since it's going to take you a while to make some money from YouTube, you can go ahead and put links in your video to other websites where you can sell stuff. So now they're not doing this because they really don't have to do it, but they're missing out on some money. So you can go to eBay or Amazon Associates. Let me go to Amazon right quick. Okay, I'm at Amazon Associates. So here you can sign up and become an affiliate marketer. So on this site, you'll be able to get a link to a product that you can sell, that you can promote on your video in the description area. And when somebody clicks on it and buy that product, you're going to get a percentage. So this is what you can sell on your video in the description. So I went ahead and went on Amazon and I looked up, I just put in relaxation. And right here, you can sell something like this on your video in the description. Sleep better now, relaxation, sleep aid. Or you can sell this, back and neck relief. It's like a little acupuncture pillow or mat. Here's an eye pillow. You can put over your eyes and relax while listening to the music. So these are a lot of things that people that like to listen to that type of music and it's all about relaxation will be interested in buying some of these products. And you can put that in the description of your video. All right, so that's the end of this video. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. Also, please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win some free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. So help a brother get to 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to become financially free and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, thank you, Grind family. Really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos and I'm going to keep dropping this content for you guys. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. All right, please go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.